So you can't take little joke, boss? Hmm? I can do it. What time now I'm there at Gilatin? It's good at Sorry, baby, you know it's that trouble, me had trouble here. Oh, my husband. My God. Frog said, what is joke to you is that to him. Him vexy, you know. Him only vexy. Don't mind him. Me nah laugh, so you be serious for? And my orange juices. You want some? I'm not going to better eat my food. Do you want some of my orange juice? Hmm? Alright, but I'm talking about the food and go about. I couldn't go and go on the business now. I need to end the live. Different thing what Jesus Christ, Queenie. Ooh, your mouth. Divvy! Do it Bex. Him too Bexy. Remember the time when him trouble me? I wet me up with the water and he said, the way I'm going to get you back at him first, it wet me up in the eyelash nobody blow up. And I say around 1 hour after I see him on the phone with him friend. Him vex. No blame me for nothing. I'm not blaming no Devante. No, I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming nobody. And I say 1 hour after I see man on the phone, you don't remember nothing, so I say, go apologize to what? After I don't do nothing. I just say more on the rice like a soft. I know nothing wrong. Come on now, really, realistically. But it's how I like the rice. I like the rice more softer, so Korean rice in Bex. I rub him when? No, I'm not rub him. We buy food that I didn't because I don't want another food. I vex stuff. I vex Sarah. Oh, Pixie here on the live, constructive criticism. I say, God, I do word that. But I'm not saying nothing wrong. What's the deal do? I say the rice. I want the rice like a sofa. I don't like shelly rice with curry. So am I not allowed as a queen and as the man's wife to say the way I like the rice? That's not even insultive. When I go like that perfect when I'm doing no go out and do leave me alone. What if I live a natural something? And I like me come over here come discriminating. Do it fuck off and the whole I no go and leave me alone. Hello, my man, and all is going to start my little vibes and my little flow. It's my craziness, it's my thoughts, my life. You understand me? Just low blood clot me, no man, and you can't stop me from dead. No matter when I rap and things, because I must dead and nothing, I go dead and then I'm a caca clot. Low to me, man. When you fret over live, because I live and I live till now. No fun when Karina, put on mask, wash your hand. This, that, don't touch, don't hug. Because I'm not afraid of that. I've got no faith my walk with. My tired for telling. I don't live with fear. Faith my walk with. I'm not fear nothing for truth, you know. First to begin it, then can't rob me. And I have one for them rob. Maybe phone. Second to begin, if them for rob my phone, they're not gonna rob my phone. I'm the so either way, if I two of them come when I said no, I Queenie that. You understand me? Low blood, low money, two bad man trying to take on the money, go bingo, go gamble out to the money, and it done kiss. It means that I can't come for holiday. No man, never. No, I'm not listening. I don't want to hear what I say. Nobody I'm got to all. Do that, but I'm got to all. Remember that little something when you have people when nobody attack, say, you know what, you just say, nobody I'm got to all, but I'm got to all, and leave me. It's some mistake, so God want me, and my mother now complain, leave me. My mother no say some mistake. It's who some of stop cussing them. Who the cap fit like them weird? Bob Marley telling her that, man. Who the cap fits? Let them wear it. So me throw my can. I'm in a can of foul. And you a chop chop chop. And me a chop 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 back. Now when the first chop my man and I don't take it fair. Oh Queenie, you're ungrateful, Queenie this. Queenie low blood. I'm glad my love cause it's in my car. I love laugh till I come. Sometimes when I trouble I just cuss and then laugh after. But really for a fact no. When I constantly type I tell mama to do what I don't do what I do already. Because whatever and I tell me not to do realistically, I already done it. That's why you're complaining. But if you were the logic of what's going on, I already done it. Spill milk. Shut up. I don't talk out the location. I don't show everybody the view. So when I end up on door, I'm already stop annoy me silver things. I remember my miserable too. I love Queenie, see? Who they love Queenie? Okay. Alright, let me show you something. The way I play the game, I don't play the game in a little stupid somewhere. When you're in FIFA or whatever I want name. I sleep, I wake up. I sleep, I wake up. I say, I'm not going to lie with Mariah crazy them, and I never said no. Because I'm going to make one piece of night in the early morning there. So I consider, you know, say, I give you a piece of the holiday. And when I go there, I just kill my cock, fam. You understand me? Don't try it, man. Enjoy it. If I want to go to Jamaica, I'm afraid I want to go to France and not even want to come back to Jamaica. Me class down here, but I'm not left down here. I'm not give out down here for nothing at all. I was born here. So I can't say, someone want to show up to another foreign. On o'clock, leave Jamaica alone. If some girl come stay in Jamaica, I think I saw Jamaica stay a long time. It's because I have camera now and things more modern now. Right? It's been like this at times. Then I'm town school. Tivoli, Rima, Jungle. May I ride bicycle go to G. Where prison name? The one in Rima. Upper Rima. Up there, so I go look for Scary. Bicycle, my ride go up there. Oh, I'm telling man, love my bicycle. Don't, where prison we don't have the mall, that's the name. All that GP. A GP name? All this time I ride my bicycle. Bicycle, you know, don't not frighten me out, you know, go and leave me alone. Why do you think my queen? The queen of rain. You understand me? I see we so them used to make complaint and me, Miss Walker, your daughter gone there, so Jenny's there, so don't allow me, man. 52 years, I'm still going strong. I'm gonna look like every girl. Age 52, hot girl. Ooh, enjoy. Shut in the mouth, man. No, the talk something make me laugh. The eyelash too soon fly up. What? What you breathe? What is this? Somebody read my mind. I wanna go. But bring the camera up in my face. Let me say, I'm looking for see the matter in my eye and a white square because them love chat. But not that I care because I girl whether I have white squall, whether I have matter, whether my foot lotion. I don't care. These are a girl anyhow. It's not clothes and things that makeup make me act. My spiritually act. So this is me a while ago I look and I say, I want them none of them a chat me. My eyelash. Why am I not for that? That's why I can't let for the out to the case. I'm true real crazy them. I don't make me laugh. My eyelash. No, the eyelash always a disrespect with some different type of way. But yes, it true, me's a different kind of hot girl. Me's that. Watch that man name work up here. I don't know to say, come like the man here, I say. Yeah. My spiritually add for truth, but I don't lie, me I tell. You think I drew me make? No, I'm wait there. I want to see that look like the eyelash blow in my eye. No, it's true. My spiritually add for truth. Hello. Morning, morning. Hello. Don't see up on your phone. Yeah, I'm up on my live. Alive, I'm up on. Alive? Yeah, say hi. And the work. Blessed love, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, when I say my spiritually act, I'm telling you what kind of act girl me is. You know, like some people, if you go to an event, I see people all dressed up looking nice, having them suited and booted, them can't function and them can't cope, and them now go, you see from kick like Van Damme, and my mouth not smell like 10 gauge cabin water, and my arm not smell like